Here's Elvis resting and showing us his butt. He's so cute over there, just chillaxing, because he's been running a lot. He's like, ugh, starting to get tired.
Hey, where do I begin? Harvey, for the love of God, stop. Hey, you look like a teen. You look like an orange with lips. You look like a wrinkled peach. And you, Geraldo, move away. You look like a retired porn star. What are you fooling? Oh, that's a racist guy, Einstein. The man's the same, dumbass. Mary is not a psycho. You're the psycho. What's wrong with my food?
He doesn't even care about the light. He's just laying there. Oh, did you see that? He's yarning. That's so cute. I got him on tape. Yarning. That's cute. Alright, everybody. Oh, this has been long enough watching Elvis Fresh.